This video will show you how to create and print your own custom candle labels. Click inside the label to enter text. You can customize font size, font style, color, and add photos. You can choose to add different content to each label. For this demo, we want a full page of the same label content, so we will use Fill All to populate the entire page. Go to Automation Tags and click on Render Tags now. As you can see, the number tag we included has rendered into sequential numbering. This is an easy method to incorporate a number counter into each label that automatically increases by 1. Let's change our design and use a different font style. The default automation tag creates number counters that increases by 1. We want to customize the number start values and interval values. Let's change our start value to 1000, with an interval of 20. This will create sequential numbers starting at 1000, increasing by 20. So we get values like 1000, 1020, 1040, and so on. Once we are done, go to print labels.